Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. Today is 15th January 2026. India Meteorological Department is celebrating today our Foundation Day. So I am very much thankful, and IMD is thankful to the general public of our country. So if we see the today's highlights, there are basically two highlights. First is that the cold wave to severe cold wave conditions likely to continue over northwest India during the next 2 days, and dense to very dense fog conditions are likely to continue to prevail over northwest India, East India and Northeast India during the next 3-4 days. And if we see yesterday's realized weather, especially temperature, so minimum temperature was the lowest over Hisar in South Haryana of the order of 0.2 degrees Celsius, which was the below normal by 6.1 degrees Celsius. And regarding dense fog conditions prevailed mainly over Punjab, Haryana, Jammu division, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and western parts of Uttar Pradesh with zero visibilities at some locations. If we see the synoptic conditions, so there is a western disturbance roughly over Iran region. Another western disturbance likely to affect northwest India from 19th of January. There is a cyclone circulation over South Arabian Sea of Kerala coast and lower tropospheric levels. Now we'll discuss forecast of minimum temperatures. So gradual rise is expected in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over northwest India during next 4 days, and thereafter no significant change. Regarding central India, it is likely to no significant change during the next 24 hours, and rise is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 3 days. And regarding East India, here gradual rise is expected after 3 days. And regarding Maharashtra, gradual fall is expected by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during next 2 days, and thereafter gradual rise by subsequent 3 days. And regarding Gujarat, gradual rise is expected by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 days. Other parts of the country, there is likely no significant change. And if we see the weather warning for next 7 days, so we can say that dense to very dense fog conditions likely to continue over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and western parts, especially western parts of Uttar Pradesh, with cold wave to severe cold wave conditions over these pockets. And cold day conditions are also likely to prevail over Punjab, Haryana and western parts of Uttar Pradesh, with cold wave conditions over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Accordingly, red color is given to Punjab, Haryana and orange color is given to Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Yellow color for dense fog conditions over Jammu division and also Rajasthan and East and Northeast India. And if we see the weather warning for 16th, so accordingly orange color for dense to very dense fog conditions, cold wave to severe cold wave conditions over Punjab and Haryana, and dense to very dense fog conditions over Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and yellow color warning for cold wave and dense fog conditions for Himachal Pradesh and Jammu division, and also dense fog warning issued for eastern parts of the country, especially Bihar, West Bengal and also for some parts of Assam and Meghalaya. Cold wave conditions issued for Odisha. From 17, no cold day warning issued. However, dense to very dense fog conditions likely to continue over Uttar Pradesh, and dense fog conditions over Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, East and Northeast India. On 18th, the similar conditions likely to continue to prevail. On 19th, dense fog conditions Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand and eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh. On 20th, Punjab and Haryana, and 21 also. Regarding impact, there are two impacts: one dense to very dense fog conditions, and another cold wave to severe cold wave conditions, mainly over northwest India. So accordingly, you can see the impact. So action suggests that transport and aviation regarding: be careful while driving or outing through any transport, use fog lights during driving, be in touch with airlines, railways, state transport for schedule of your journey. Regarding power sector, to keep ready maintenance team, human health, to avoid outing until unless emergency, to cover the face. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.